Taking a screenshot on a Mac is simple and boosts productivity. Here's how to capture your screen. To capture the full screen, press Shift plus Command plus 3. It saves to your desktop with a thumbnail. To screenshot a portion, use Shift plus Command plus 4. Your cursor turns to a crosshair. Click and drag to select. For a specific window, press Shift plus Command plus 4, then the spacebar. Your cursor becomes a camera. Click the window. For advanced options, use Shift plus Command plus 5. This opens the Screenshot app, offering full screen, window, or selection options. On Macs with a touch bar, press Shift plus Command plus 6 to capture it, helping document settings for developers. Consider third-party apps for enhanced features. CleanShot X allows scrolling captures. Snagit enables video creation. Capto combines recording and editing. To take professional screenshots, follow best practices. Capture extended content with scrolling, annotate images, and crop unnecessary areas. Organizing screenshots is essential. Customize the screenshot app's saving location and use Preview for quick editing. If screenshots aren't saving, check your keyboard and settings. Restarting often resolves glitches. Mastering Mac screenshots improves your workflow. Use shortcuts and tips to enhance your experience. Become skilled at screenshotting today.